Garden girl making garden fuel.
This is all Brett's little idea, not mine. I'm just making some cereal, which I make every couple of days.
It's muesli, isn't it? What do you call it?
Bircher. Well, it's my version of Bircher muesli, which is really a concoction of a couple of different recipes that I found many years ago, and I have it all the time. And for some reason, we're filming it.
Because it's delicious, and I think other people would like to know how to make it too.
Oh, I don't know about that.
What have you got?
Okay, I've got some rolled oats. I'm putting 3 cups of rolled oats. It's going to last me at least 3 or 4 or 5 days, 4 days probably. So we've got 4 cups of oats, which we throw in. Some seeds, so a seed mix, pepitas, sunflowers, etc. Throw a few of those in. This is really very, very, very relaxed. That's a bit of everything. Then we put in some cinnamon. Throw quite a bit of cinnamon in, like this.
Wow.
Yeah, lots of it.
I like the cinnamon.
Love the cinnamon. Then what have I got? Desiccated coconut. Oh yeah, the cinnamon smells good too. Smells good. And about 1.5 cups of desiccated coconut. So I need the new packet. It's exciting for everybody.
Well, I always wanted to know because, you know, I eat Vegemite on toast.
I know you
It's
do.
probably not as good as your breakfast.
No,
that's why
good.
it looks so good.
It's good fuel. Oh, I do not. This is good fuel for the body. Frozen blueberries. I know I've got the Woolworths ones, but they're obviously really varying growers, companies who make them. They don't make them. Sell them.
So you don't measure them, you just chuck them in.
Yes, I've got a bit more than usual. Actually, I don't usually put this much in, but I'm not concentrating. So anyway, it'll be lovely with extra ones, extra blueberries in there. Honey. Not lots of honey, but quite a bit of honey because this is going to last, as I said, a couple of days. And I like a little bit of sweetness.
Already looks pretty good now.
Yeah. What haven't I done? Coconut water. I slosh that around. Sometimes I put in more than others. So
Enough to cover it?
yeah, well, yes, enough to make it a bit juicy. That's plenty. Then we mix it all up, and that is that until either overnight. You leave it in the fridge overnight, or for at least 3 or 4 hours, and then add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of natural or Greek yogurt. And that is my recipe for my Bircher muesli. Interesting?